Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UVXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bullishness continues on this one. Did this video a couple days ago and talked about how, the trend had begun, but now it's a question of, could the price maintain the trend? Yeah, it absolutely did. You can see that it did pull back here, held above that green line, though, on the pullbacks, which was, not a guarantee of anything, but it made it a more than plausible thought to have that, all right, yeah, the trend is hanging in there. Let's see if it can continue on up. And yeah, got more uptrend today with an explosive move to the upside. So much so that I'm going to go ahead and just delete all these lines out of here from the previous video. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation point of view where I sit, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But one of the first areas of support now to keep an eye on is one of the newest levels and what I would call the ideal level. We say, Clay, what would make this chart look just the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay above 2150. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 2150, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above it, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at everything from the bigger point of broad scope of things, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the trend is at full health. I should say the uptrend, that is in full health. So again, preferably speaking, yes, you want to see it stay above 2150. But as long as the price is above that purple line, then again, the trend is in, or the uptrend, the uptrend is in full health. As far as areas of resistance are concerned right now, those levels don't matter. What do I mean by resistances don't matter? Well, it matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that's this right here. Just chipping away and building those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.